Hi, my name is Louie Fierro. I've been a professional barber for over 40 years, and I've never seen a more complete home hair cutting kit than the Cordless Pro. And the best part, made by Wahl, a company that invented electric clippers over 100 years ago in 1919. Look, we know it's not easy keeping your appearance these days. And we also know that there's nothing like getting a professional haircut done by your favorite barber or stylist. But if that's not possible, then the Cordless Pro kit will take care of those needs for you. And it's easy. Everything you need is in the box. Let's open the box and see what we got inside. All right, let's see what's in the box. Starting on my left, this is a cordless clipper. With a powerful rotary motor, very compact. What cordless means is that you can use this with the cord or without, but if you're going to use it cordless, make sure out of the box you plug it in and leave it charged overnight for maximum power, and then you have up to 90 minutes of runtime. And if you run out of power, you can continue to use it just by plugging it in while you're using it, and it will continue to run. When you're done, turn it off. Plug it back in, put it out of the way. Then we have our trimmer. This is a very nice compact trimmer, very sharp blade, comes with a blade guard. This is powered by a AA battery. Just drop it in, not included. Snap it together and you're good to go. This should give you, months of power depending on your battery. Then we have an ear and nose trimmer. This is perfect for every man should have this. Clean inside the nostrils and inside the ears with the two attachments so you don't have to worry about nicking yourself. Charging cord, scissors, cleaning brush, cape, convenient water bottle, 2 clips for sectioning your work, and 2 combs, a taper comb and a barber comb. Oil, which we're going to talk about in a second, and 12 attachment guards. These are guards, okay? These will allow you to cut up to the length that is indicated on the attachment guard. I will show you that in my demonstration. Once you start to use these, you'll feel very comfortable and you'll be able to do any kind of haircut without any problem. As soon as you open the box and you've charged everything, don't forget, comes with the oil. Always keep your blades oiled and disinfectant, okay? 3 drops, 1 on each end, 1 in the center. Turn the motor on, let the blades run, let it loop, and hang it this way until it drips out. Don't use too much. You don't want oil to run into the motor. It will burn the motor, okay? And it's always important to keep your blades and all your tools disinfected. By the way, you can oil your clipper and your trimmer. Never oil your ear and nose trimmer. It doesn't work that way. So you can always pick up the Wahl disinfectant spray. It's fantastic. It kills any nasty viruses. You can just spray. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my client here who has really overgrown their hair, and I'm going to cut it down to a nice haircut, very professional, or for a young boy, for a young man, or for an older gentleman. It doesn't really matter. So, as I said before, we're going to use our attachment guards, okay? They are the ones who indicate what the length that we're going to leave. So always start with the number 8. They go from a half to an 8. And what they mean is an 8 is equivalent to 1 inch. So we know that if we cut against the grain, we're going to have at least 1 inch of hair. If we cut with the grain, we're going to have longer. And I'll show you what I mean. So when you're attaching the number 8 guard on, make sure the tip of the blades go inside and then push. Make sure you hear that snap. If you don't hear that snap, don't use it. So we're going to start, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to use it like a comb, right? Just like a brush. I'm brushing the hair all back. This is going to remove a lot of the bulk, right? Probably you won't be cutting hair this long, especially if you're using your tools on a regular basis. So all I'm doing is combing the hair back. Very simple. This works best on dry hair, but damp hair is also very good, and it can also cut wet hair. So I prefer dry hair. So all I'm doing is combing it back. I don't have to worry about cutting too much because I know that my attachment comb will only cut what it allows me to cut. So I'm combing it all back just like a brush. Okay, now, as you can see, we've taken all the bulk away. We've started to shape it into a nice haircut. If your person wants a longer hairstyle, you could stop here using your trimmer. You could just refine the edges, and you have a great haircut. But I'm going to show you what the guards do. So this was a number 8, and it is equivalent to a 1 inch. Now they go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, blah, blah, all the way down to half. But I'm going to jump. I like to do like a skip cutting technique. So I went from an 8 to a number 4. So a number 4 is a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to go from at least 1 inch to a 1/2 inch. And that's going to give me some shape. So now I'm not going to use this on the top. I'm going to use this on the sides. So same thing. Turn it on, right? Put my blade tip in the attachment guard. Snap. Okay, now you can see that we've tapered the sides down a little bit more. This is called a taper, a graduation. This is a number 4, equivalent to a 1/2 inch. This is a number 8 on the top, equivalent to a 1 inch. So half to a 1 gives you a nice graduation. Now, let's say we're leaving some hair here. Let's say we want to clean this all up. So instead of going down, we continue to use our number 4, pushing the head forward. Just go in here and then come up. And always do a scooping motion, like that. Scooping, right? These are called C-strokes. Bring it up. And just go to where the head starts to get round. If you go too high, you'll take that bulk away and it'll be a completely different look. So just go straight up. Okay, so now what we've done is you've seen that by using the number 4 guard, instead of going down with the grain, we've gone up against the grain. So it really tapers it down, and this is a true 1/2 inch of length. So now we're going to change our guard, and we're going to go to a number 2, which is a 1/4 of an inch. And we're going to start to refine the haircut, just simply by going up and just flicking, just like that. Follow the head shape. And all around the perimeter of the haircut. Go to the other side, same thing. Just C-strokes, flicking motion, all around. Okay, now the best part, now you can see the haircut starting to come together. Now the best part is what this kit gives that even most professional kits don't give is they give you 2 attachment combs, one for the left ear and one for the right ear. And what you can see, they go from short to long, a graduation, just like we want. So we're going to put the left one on here, and we're going to go on the left side of the ear, and we're going to go around the ear. And that's just going to finish it up nicely. And then we're going to put the right guard on. Again, tips in, close. And we're going to just go around. And when you do this, always hold your clipper. Don't press it right on the scalp. Hold it on an angle with the long teeth out. So you're just going to go around like this. And that's just going to clean it up. Right? Then we're going to take our trimmer and we're going to refine it. You don't have to worry about cutting. This will only cut the hair, will not cut the skin. And just go around the ear, and you can just finish the haircut and the hairline. Never cut above the hairline. It just looks a lot nicer when you cut below the hairline. Okay, now, so what we've done is we've done a number 4 to take the bulk out and create some shape. Then we've done, a number 8. Then we've done a number 4 on the sides. Then we've brought it down to a number 2. Then we've used our left and right angle guards to clean up around the ears. Now all we're going to do is we're going to spray it down a little bit with our water bottle. We're going to pick up our comb and our scissors. And all we're gonna do is comb the hair to the side, pick it up, and you should have almost a point like that. And we're just gonna remove that. Coming back, lift it up. And this is to your discretion. You could leave it longer, you could leave it shorter. Just pick it up like this. So all you're doing is taking off that corner. Okay. And there you have it. Home hair cutting made easy. Easy to use, great results, and they'll get better every time. So don't be afraid. Give it a try. Thank you.